Hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl E checking in. In today's video, you guys, we are going to make lemon pepper wings. As you can see, y'all, the plate looks so good. When I tell you, it was a 10-10. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I have my meat here. I'm adding salt and lemon, vinegar, and all that good stuff. Clean your meat. And this is all the seasoning we're gonna be using. You can use whatever you see here, or you can feel free to use whatever you like, your family like. And yeah, you guys, this is my chicken. All right, marinated, looks so good. You can let it sit for like 30 minutes or hours, but it's always good to let your meat marinate overnight. It is the best flavor ever. As you can see, I am adding some coconut oil. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm dropping my chicken in the pool, honey. All right, in the hot grease. Okay. So yeah, you guys, if you are new here, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am trying to reach my goal, you guys, for 3K. If you can please help your girl. I never ask y'all, okay? I mean, I do low key. But yeah, you guys, feel free to share the video with your families and friends, stuff like that. And I am going to be making some fries for the kids and also some white rice and baked beans. Yes, ma'am. So stay tuned, you guys. And yeah. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, your girl is making the lemon pepper sauce. Feel free to use, like I said, whatever you like. I am adding butter, garlic, lemon juice, whatever season I used previously. And yeah, it was done, you guys. As you can see, I am adding my little lemon pepper sauce on the chicken. When I tell you, baby, this was a 10-10. And don't. There it is, girl. Hope it tastes good. Would you believe? Yeah, I'm done. We done. That's it. Looks so good. Alright, you guys, don't forget to always put God first. Until next time, love you all. Bye, y'all.